Hey everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see our CLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. Look at our rear seats next. Some nice accent stitching throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. Quick look up front. And we'll take a look at our driver's side next. So we do have power memory seats for both driver and passenger. You can see the controls here. Door controls. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And hopping inside. Mileage currently at 43,079 with a push button ignition. Here we have our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently loading up here. And navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have controls for accessing those different functions, as well as climate controls, including heated seats. You have your command module here for making adjustments on the display, and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.